Hello there. I thought I'd do a little unboxing video because I've had a delivery of some new products that are what we call online exclusives. And well, not all of them are, but these are going to be available from the 3rd of July. Some of these are available to you now, but I thought I've taken out some customer goodies that I'd got, and just some other bits and bobs that I needed. But I thought I'd show you some new things, just to see if you're interested, or just to share, because we've got some Christmas stuff in here. So the first item I'm going to share with you is one of our new card kits. Now this is called Expressions of Kindness, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and it's an all-inclusive kit. So it has a stamp set in, and these ones come wrapped in cellophane because they've got an ink pad that's probably loose, yeah, and a stamp set. So, oh my goodness, look, you get a reel of ribbon. So this is the stamp set, and everyone is raving about this little stamp here that says kindly deliver to, which you stamp on your envelope, which I think is really cute. And then we've got wishing you the happiest of birthdays and just a note, and then some little decorative bits and bobs. But the star of the show are the printed cards, and here you can see what they're going to look like when they are complete. We've got a bit of a watercolour effect going on, and oh my goodness, look at those. Can you see the gold foiling on them? How gorgeous are those little dots? You get a block as well, and some foam pads, and these ribbon, and your Blackberry Bliss stamping spot, and your stamp set. I'm not going to open that all up because I think it deserves a little video of its own to demonstrate the cards. So I think I shall do with that. Now the next one, I've sold 2 of these already, plus mine. This is totally up my street. Let me get the name right. The Scenic Route Travel Journal Kit. And I was excited to see this. It's quite a heavy box. Oh wow, it's quite full as well. And get a roll of tape. Oh wow, it's all, look at that. It's all inside there. And this is an amazing product to document your travel. And you get, I need to open this one, don't I? Obviously, this is a little bit more of a personal project, so you need to get some photos printed off for this one. So you've got your tape there. Then you have got some instructions here, but a lot of it is going to be your own. They've given you examples of what they've done, but it's up to you to decorate how you want to. You always get this piece of board, which is quite good for stamping on. There's no stamping in this one though. And then this is the actual, it's like a binder, so that's just for storage. So it's nice. Nice. It's a lovely folder. And it's very thick. It's very, very sturdy. Very sturdy. And let's see what else we get. Intrigued. Wow. Love the colours. Lots of numbers there for dates and things. Stickers, camera, globe, suitcase, planes. Lots of alphabets, pound signs, dollars, euros, percent, all your extra bits and bobs. Please remember though, this is probably the same kit for, oh no, it might not be, it must be English. Look at all those letters and numbers, small ones too. So these are the ones that should go there with that. So you get lots of those and that. And then these are to decorate your pages. They're all adhesive, self-adhesive. Oh, wow, I love these. Ah, right, okay. So you do get them in all languages. So it's the same kit for everybody. So, right, let's just put that to one side. So then we've got some more decorative bits and bobs. Yeah, all right. It just makes it easier for Stampin' Up. But the thing is, more decorative bits for the pockets. More. Hey, English. So there's Dutch, French, German, and then English. Okay. Oh, more stickers. Oh, you get a lot. More stickers. Wow, car, bike, sunglasses. Loads of stickers. Pockets to put your tickets in and things like that. More pockets. And then some little decorative journaling bits. And then there's all that. And then these are your actual pages. So what these do is they are loose, and then they fasten. Oh, look, that one's already got pockets in. They fasten in here in whichever order you want to put them in, using this at the back. So you can move them about. So there's 1, 2. So obviously they're going to sit inside of each other. Oh, look, and this one opens up. Oh, this is fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. So I think I need to do a class with this. People can come and document their holiday pictures. What do we think? Now, I am sure the frugal amongst us could cut these down and use them as individual letters. That's probably a little bit of an idea from me. Or you can cut the stars off there, things like that. But I'm sure you could use those. And you could maybe use them and then stick something else on the top or stamp something. But yeah, that's amazing. So if you're interested in this kit, do let me know, and I'd be happy to order you one. I can't remember how much it is. I think it might be £22. I should have looked at that before. Oh, I need to put the instructions back in. So that's amazing. I love that. I can't wait to do that little project. And you could have them lined up, different ones for different holidays. So what else is in my box? So I got this just because I thought it was useful for my business. So if anyone out there runs, it doesn't have to be a stamping business, but runs a small business and wants to make little thank you cards or little notes to go in with orders, then this is a really good stamp set. So you can literally purchase this and an ink pad and maybe a block. You could do with a block, and then you can use that in your business. That's called My Small Business. And then this one I got because I've been eyeing it up, and we're trying to do some more cost-effective bundles. So this is a cheaper bundle. It's the cutest onesie, and I thought it's really, really useful to have for any baby cards. And the little onesie is so cute. You can stamp that onto patterned paper. You can colour it in, but it's a very small set of dies, and you just literally get the little onesie, a pocket, little rattle, coat hanger, and then 1, 2, 3. So I thought that's really cute. So I can't remember where's my catalogue? I'm just going to check that in the catalogue. Let's have a look. It's on page 64, and that whole bundle is £26. So the stamp set's on its own 16, the dies on their own are 13, so there would be 29, but the whole thing is £26. So I think that's amazing. I think that's fabulous. But remember, if you ordered that in June, you'd save 10%. So it's going to be even cheaper. So yeah, you get £2.60 off that. So that's an absolute steal. So maybe I need to make some cards with that this month to showcase that. And then the last few things are some online exclusives. Oh, by the way, the kits are available now. I didn't say that. These are only available from the 3rd of July. So this is a 6x6 pack of papers. And it does look like it's Christmas, but it's called Iconic Celebrations. And it's got a little bit of everything in. So I'm going to flick through these. So we've got some Christmas. Yeah. Candy canes. Then we've got some like champagne glasses, which you could use for New Year. You could use actually for engagement, something like that. And then hearts. So again, same. Then we've got some little acorns, so a bit of an autumn theme there. If you don't like those, loving the spots on the other side. Then we have a check. And then again, some little foliage on the other side. A stripe. That looks like mossy meadow, and some leaves. Then these are great. These are like a bit of a celebration. Could use those for New Year. But then you've got candles on the other side. So that's useful for lots of things. Christmas trees again. There's 4 sheets of each, and then snowflakes. Little pumpkins. So, but if you're not into Halloween, you've got that sort of check on the other side. Then here we've got a dove image, and then some little stars on the other side, some stripes and Christmas trees, and then a sort of bit of confetti print, and then stars. So they're a bit of a mix and match. The colours in those are Cajun Craze, Cherry Cobbler, Misty Moonlight, Moody Mauve, Mossy Meadow and Pecan Pie. So I thought they were quite useful. And then this set I'm very excited by. It's called Everyday Greetings, and this is an online exclusive. It's a set of 19 stamps, and it's greetings for every day. Yeah. So I've just got a message on my phone to say I'm on a low battery. Let me just close that. Hopefully it carried on filming. So greetings for every day. That's why it's called Everyday Greetings. And we've got anniversary, birthday, big day, congratulations, friends, so much, on your sending. And then we've got thinking of you, congratulations, thank you, friend, wishes, best, hello, love you, anniversary, birthday. So you can pop things together. So you can do on your anniversary, on your birthday, birthday wishes. Yeah. Sending birthday wishes. So you can do lots with that. It's a photo polymer set. But then we've got a Christmas one that matches it. And I got that as a bundle. So you've got wishing you, and then you've got all the sentiments that you can, wishing you then you can do Happy Christmas, and you've got Merry Christmas. So you've got it in different fonts and things like that. So then you've just got season's greetings. Then you've got a couple of greetings to fill the inside. You've also got a to and a from. And the bundle that accompanies, well, the dies, that make that into a bundle are these, and they're like tags, gorgeous tags. So we can do lots of lovely tags here with those greetings, which are very useful. And look, some of them I've got stitching on. So this is available to customers from 3rd of July. Now, the final thing I've got to share with you was probably what I was most excited about, and it's some papers from the same suite. Now these are a speciality paper, so they do cost a little bit more than a standard pack. They are called Season of Green and Gold. It's 12 by 12 papers, set of 12. This is the first time I've seen them in the flesh. Hope you can see the foil in there. And then we've just got a spot on the other side. So you get 2 sheets of each. One to use, one to straw. Now these remind me of the Forever Fern stamp set, which was a really, really popular stamp set. The other side, it's a green stripe. And there's all different shades of green in this set of papers. Oh, that's a nice gold one. I feel I need to do a class with these. Then we've got some with some bells on, which we can cut out. Oh, I love that. I love that. Really love that. And oh, that's nice and gold. And just a mottle green on the other side. And then a bit of a gold starburst design, and then that lovely green one. Is that like mistletoe, I think, on the back? So they are the Season of Green and Gold papers. Let me know what you think. I'd love to know. I love that, and I'm going to cut the bells out and use the foliage. But look at that on the other side. I love that. So very, very, very nice. Very, very nice. And I love that one. So thank you for tuning in. If you've got any questions or you are interested in any products and you're in Europe or the UK in particular, then please do get in touch with me and I'd be happy to help. Thank you for watching. Bye.